What are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.
Hello everyone. Stay positive, work hard, and make it happen is what I learned at eVision. Myself, Sandhya. I am from Tamil Nadu. I have completed my BE in ECE from Adiyaman College of Engineering in the year of 2019. It was a great experience. I had joined eVision on 3rd July 2022 for OJT program. In just 45 days, they teach us technologies very clearly, and trainers and HRs in eVision are so humble and supportive. And it's a great platform to learn how to crack the job interviews and all. And online presentation and mock sessions are very helpful for me to improve my technical and communication skills. And live sessions make us like perfect to crack a job. And I'm happy to say that I got selected in TCS with the salary offer for 3 lakh per annum. eVision is the new era of e-learning platform, and which will boom in the future in the IT domain, I think. Its individual development plan in undoubtedly the best for every individuals according to the performance in the week. Um, Finally, I thank a lot eVision and the team to providing me this excellent opportunity. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, eVision.
Join eVision, join job.